For those looking to breathe new life into their Dell Inspiron 5400 all-in-one, the 64-in 3D motherboard replacement might be the perfect solution. This generic board comes with an integrated Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, a dual-core CPU with a base clock of 3.0 GHz. The SRK-08 processor should offer a decent performance boost for everyday tasks, web browsing, and light productivity work. This motherboard is specifically designed as a compatible spare part for the Dell Inspiron 5400 series, ensuring a proper fit and functionality. One of the key features is its support for DDR4 memory with speeds up to 3200 MHz. This faster memory speed can contribute to improved system responsiveness and smoother multitasking. The integrated CPU socket means you won't have to worry about sourcing and installing a separate processor, simplifying the replacement process. The SoC chipset further streamlines the design, integrating various functions onto a single chip for efficiency. While this is a generic branded board, it's designed to meet the specifications of the Dell Inspiron 5400, offering a cost-effective way to repair or upgrade your all-in-one system. If your original motherboard is failing or you're looking for a slight performance bump, this replacement option is worth considering. Just be sure to check compatibility with your specific Inspiron 5400 model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.